Section 2 of Alchian's paper builds off of Section 1, where he argues that firms aren't really capable of optimizing or maximizing profits. In a world of uncertainty, what does that even mean? So in Section 2, Alchian asks, if we can't even say that firms are maximizing profits, does that destroy our theory of the firm? He argues that the motivation and even the competence of the actors is not the real concern when it comes to looking at how an economic system actually works. It does not matter what the actual motivation or reasoning of the actors is for achieving success. We don't need the profit maximizing assumption. Why? Because the fact of accomplishment is sufficient. Accomplishment, not motivation, is how the economic system selects survivors. Profit and loss, not are people attempting to be profit optimizers? The motivation doesn't matter as much as the accomplishment does. Positive profits, not optimized profits, will create survival. Alchian has a great line where he says, even in a world of stupid men, there would still be profits. Alchian goes even further than this and argues that the greater the uncertainty of the world, the greater the possibility that profits go to the venturesome and lucky, rather than the logical and calculating. The success of market results is not driven by our ability to be profit maximizers. It's all about accomplishment, not motivation. Alchian argues that understanding the decisions of the system are more important than understanding the decisions of the individuals that make up that system. Right? Let me restate that in Alchian's words. He puts his idea as, quote, an alternative method which treats the decisions and criteria dictated by the economic system as more important than those made by the individuals in it. Alchian argues that understanding the decisions of the system are more important than the decisions of the individuals that make up that system. Let's try to better understand how the motivation and competence of the actors cannot matter in our next video, which shows an active learning environment exploring Alchian's ideas. Click the link below to head to the next video.